I have always had, unfortunately, not great teeth, and I just never was happy with my smile, particularly my two front teeth, and it just years and years of deliberation, worried about whether I would look like myself if I ever had anything done, and I finally made the decision to get it done.
When Jim came into our office, his chief complaint was unhappy with his smile. He presented with some chipped front teeth as well as some missing and broken teeth.
First visit here, the doctors were all very professional, made you feel very comfortable, took their time to explain everything that you were having done on a detailed setting, so just really felt good about what I was having done.
Jim's treatment plan included crowning his two front teeth, so that fixed not only his chips but made them appear more aligned. We also replaced his missing and broken teeth with implants to not only give him function but to make him happy with his smile again.
When I was having my consultation with the doctor, she explained step-by-step procedures on the dental implants. They talked about the, I don't want to say new technology, but how it went step by step as to what would happen each procedure, because it was not a single procedure. It took a couple different times to come to see them. So yes, they did explain it and showed me what potentially the before and after would look like. So yeah, I was very well informed. Since I had the procedures done, it's I don't want to say changed my life, but it just gave me confidence, gave me a smile back that I was hesitant to do in photos, out in crowds. So it just really made me feel good again, good about myself.